think you need a real person in front of a camera to make any money with social media, you're missing the biggest opportunity of the century. Right now, AI influencers are replacing human creators, creating videos just like this one.
And the few who know about this are using AI influencers to print money for them while they sleep.
Since the first time I came across this, I've spent months wasting money on tools that promised results but never delivered, until I found the one that actually works. So in this video, you'll see how to go from knowing nothing about AI influencers to running an AI influencer empire that can produce unlimited videos for you for less than the price of a coffee, without hiring a single creator or waiting weeks for content. But now, you might be asking yourself, what even is an AI influencer? AI influencers are AI-made videos of hyper-realistic virtual creators. They are so realistic, you'd never be able to tell they're not human, like this one right here.
You're missing out. I made an AI girly in minutes, and now she sells my offers in front of the camera so I don't have to. I've already made over 14,700.
Videos like this can be made in seconds, for a fraction of what it would cost to hire an actual creator. You can make as many as you want, whenever you want, without paying for filming, shipping out products, or waiting for a creator to send you content. Now enough talking, and let's start with the video. Let me introduce you to Topview AI. Topview AI is one of the best AI tools out there. You can generate AI avatar videos, avatar product videos, and you can create or design your own AI avatar. Also, Topview recently had a collaboration with Sora AI, which is genuinely crazy. But let's leave this for the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now the first step is to sign up in Topview. So go ahead and just click the link in the description for Topview and sign up using your Google account. Once you do, you will be in Topview's homepage with all the different avatars to choose from. Now for this video, since we are creating a product video, let's click on this product avatar option. Once you do, as you can see, we'll get many avatar templates to choose from, like skincare products, vehicles, kitchen gadgets, and many more. And since in today's video, I'm going to create an ad for minoxidil, which is a hair growth supplement, I'm going to choose this option, since the avatar is a doctor and suits best with our product. Once you choose your avatar, it's now time to upload your product image, just like this. Finally, click Generate, and as you can see, the image is now processing. Now, once your image is fully processed, you need to adjust your product size and placement accordingly. For this video, I think like this is fine. Finally, click Generate, and Topview will now create for you two different images of the avatar with the product. And boom! Our two images have been generated. I'll choose the second one since the product looks better there. Next, for the most important part, we need to have a script. And you guessed it, we're gonna be using none other than ChatGPT. For this prompt, I'm telling ChatGPT what I'm creating, what product I'm using, how long the video should be, and what to focus on. Also, I told it to write an engaging hook, since the hook is the most important part of any video. And boom, it created the script. Now read the script carefully. If all good, copy it and place it in Topview. Then you need to choose your voiceover. Here, you have many different options to choose from. So listen to each one carefully to know what voice suits your avatar better. I'll choose this one.
Hey buddy, it is me. Just wanted you to hear my voice. How's your day going?
Now just click Confirm. Next, you have the option to add subtitles. Personally, I think videos with subtitles do better these days, so just choose the one that fits well with your video. Finally, once everything is done, click Generate. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to finish. Now let's see the final result.
Struggling with hair loss or thinning spots? You're not alone, but there is a proven way to bring your confidence back. For millions, minoxidil is the go-to solution for regrowth. It's dermatologist-approved and scientifically proven to reactivate dormant hair follicles, helping you grow thicker, fuller hair right where you need it most.
I mean, wow! Just like that, we created a product ad in minutes, without any camera, actors, or waiting days for the ad to finish. Like this, you can scale any business you have with minimal effort and with less money spent. Topview is key in all of this, and it has many more different ways you can use it and make money out of it. Why miss this opportunity and miss out on making more money with AI? Go right now and click on the link in the description for Topview. Sign up and follow my steps to create the perfect ad for your product. Yes guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to share it to your family and friend. like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for future video. See you in the next one. Peace.